look great.
I think a lot better than you.
I need to say hi to
Are
all
you
the people. Yeah.
The last day of my vacation.
On real bad.
The last day of my vacation.
I know there's everybody else.
But I'm at the position to where shall I stay or shall I go?
If everybody would please remain seated at all times. No smoking of any kind on board. That does include electronic cigarettes. Keep everything inside the rails at all times. That means arms, elbows, fingers, children, cameras, everything. And if you were to go down like the Titanic, the captain is
I just learned how to use it.
Sorry, I just don't.
She's not going down with the shit.
But if we do come in the water in the next 30 minutes on our 2.5-mile round trip tour, my best advice to you guys is to stand up and walk out. You're going to be all right. It's only about 4.5, 5 feet deep.
Somebody stand up and walk out.
But if need be, there are life jackets with everybody on board at the front of the buses of the boat. Our history shows we've never had to use them.
You're gonna be able to
Cinema was built in 1988 and offers 1 million square feet of shopping, live music in the living area, and
amazing.
an IMAX theater.
She always, Marilyn always watching us. Look out.
Bro,
Yeah.
I'm recording. I need to record you recording.
You record me recording?
Yes, I'm recording you recording.
Oh, okay.
I'm recording her recording. And then we'll go under it again.
Back home. I'm having too much fun.
This is some seriously like this water isn't that deep.
Tila on there.
Alright,
Hey, Tila.
back towards me, and to the left side of the boat as we turn the corner, you'll see the Tower of America.
Hey.
The Tower of Americas is the centerpiece for the 1968 Hemisphere World Fair.
It's rotating. Let's say it.
It's 622 feet to the rooftop. It has 954 steps,
That's tall.
3 glass elevators, and 1 restaurant on top that rotates 1 full circle an hour.
You been in there? See you in the cold. Go have a night out. It's expensive too.
You went to the
Oh God, it's like a. I see all the water like coming back up.
I know, right? Expensive.
No,
I can't see it. I don't know if
Oh, Keela said, hey, hey.
Hey, Keela. I got your shirt. I got the shirt.
Over to the right is the St. Joseph's Catholic Church. By the cornerstone there was set there in 1868.
Right there. See the church up there?
That's a big church.
There it is.
Yes, it's still going on YouTube. It's still going on YouTube. I can post this one. Can I?
Huh?
I won't get in trouble if I post this on YouTube.
No.
Okay.
I'm on Facebook. Everybody see this on Facebook.
You'll see an orange smoke syrup on the right side.
No, but no one will see this live.
That's called the Friendship Torch, and it was given to the city as a gift
Where?
from Mexico in
That's right there.
2002.
We were.
That red thing, Shari?
Yeah, that was that red thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh hey. I'm recording.
Oh, that sun.
God. That sun is so ruined. I had to cover the camera. I had to cover the camera part of it. Oh God, it's so. Oh, that duck. This is some disgusting. She better not crash into this wall. We're not going down like the Titanic, but we might go down.
¿De qué lado son estos piques? ¿De qué lado?
Me and Shawan took pictures by the what, Alamo Bay.
Oh, yeah.
They
Y'all
opened
find
their
it.
doors just in time for the 1968 Hemisphere World's Fair.
Wow, 200. That's a lot of birthdays.
Huh?
I wonder if y'all had gone to the crash.
Oh God.
Wakey, wakey.
Now here to our left is La Villita. La Villita is a little village, and the little village started out as housing for the Spanish soldiers in the 1700s. Today
This
is
is not
a
gonna go
modern
as really
community
good
that offers a
graphics.
variety
Oh
of arts
God,
and craft
camera.
shops.
I have to block the camera when the last sunlight comes
Here at
in.
the base of the
What-
village
what
is
you
from
see?
the Arneson River
Oh.
Theater. There's
Long
seating
as
for
it don't
800
jump.
to the left and a stage to the right.
Okay.
It's also the stage where they filmed the movie Miss Congeniality.
Look at that.
Now above the stage you guys see 5 bronze bells. Those 5 bronze bells represent the first 5 Taco Bells here in San Antonio. Just kidding. They actually represent the 5 founding missions here in San Antonio.
That verse like the bull. Up here.
Over to the right is the Briscoe Western Art Museum. Now the theme to the sculpture here is bringing home the Briscoes. This museum started out as a public library from 1930 to 1968, and today it houses paintings, sculptures, saddles, spurs, Santa Ana sword, and Pancho Villa's last known saddle. Also on Tuesday nights from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. admission to the museum is free.
That's just good. Oh my God, that duck's swimming and we're about to run him over.
Keep
No,
going,
the-
yeah, you're almost there.
That duck is swimming and we're about to run him over. Oh my God, all those,
Where?
all those,
Right on this small island with a little
all those innocent ducks.
sculpture is called Father
That duck trying to go fast. Look out.
Oh my God.
Trying to get out the way.
commemorates the mass given by Father Damien Massenet somewhere along the river here on June 13th.
Oh my God, all them ducks.
This small island is known to the locals as
I never saw
paradise.
that.
Now right here where the Navarro Street Bridge
The
went
ducks,
today,
what did they do to
in
you?
the 1800s it was known as the Mill Crossing.
Hey,
It was easy for wagons to cross here because it was shallow, flat, and hard gas.
Ishaku, can you see
And they
me,
didn't have to
Ishaku?
unload and reload their cargo to get across.
they can hear you
It was
too.
also one
Yeah.
of the most used wagon crossings here in San Antonio.
Isha, that go Sharon.
Hey,
That go Lorraine.
Hey.
That go
Hi.
Now straight ahead, that red building with the green roof
Hi.
is the Bexar County
Say
Courthouse.
she joined.
Opened in
you need to move.
1896.